Do you want to learn how to make some dazzling bling bottles? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these adorable little champagne bottles in just 3 simple steps. Coming up. Hi, I'm Natalie with TotallyDazzled.com, where we help you celebrate with sparkle by providing all the rhinestone wedding supplies you need. And in this channel, we share all our best DIY wedding tips, tricks, and tutorials. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So let's get started. The supplies we're going to need for today's project are all listed in the description box below, so you can check it out anytime. But what you're going to need are your little bottles. I have champagne today, but you can use sparkling cider, whatever you want. So we have our champagne. You're going to need some Mod Podge, your glitter, a plate and a foam brush, a container to catch falling glitter, and your embellishments. Today I'm including a cute little straw. I'm also including our little seating cards so that these bottles do double duty. And of course, a sparkling rhinestone embellishment to really set it off. And lastly, you'll need a glue gun. So let's get started with step number 1. The step number 1 is going to be applying our glitter, and Mod Podge is just the best product for this. So I like to pour it onto a little plate, and then I like to use a foam brush to just paint it on. I am choosing to leave the top exposed and not glittered. So I'm gonna paint from here down, but you can paint whatever you want. If you wanted to leave the label exposed, you would just paint your Mod Podge around the label, and then the glitter will not hold to the label part. But for today, I'm going to glitter the entire base. So I wanna just apply our Mod Podge, and then the fun, the glitter. So you just dump it right on, and you'll see how it is covering. It's already looking fabulous. And then just work your way around. I love this project. I think it's so cute. I think it's a great way to greet your guests to your wedding reception with a nice little bottle of something to sip on. And they're absolutely adorable. They look great on a table. And by incorporating the seating card, they do double duty for your wedding, which is nice. You can stretch your wedding planning dollar by making your projects serve multiple purposes. Do you see how easy this is and fun? There we go. Now you can just shake off any excess, and you have a fully glittered bottle. Now on to step 2. Step 2 is going to be applying our little seating card tag. I printed these just on my home printer on regular 8.5 by 11 office paper. They're nothing fancy, but they look really cute when we add them to our little bling bottles here. So once this is dry, before you add your name card, you're gonna wanna seal the bottle with an extra layer of the Mod Podge. So I'm not gonna show that step today because I don't want to take too much time, but you will wanna do that just to minimize any sparkles that are falling all over the place. But to attach our little seating card, the first step will be to apply a light layer of Mod Podge to the back of the little tag here. And that will allow it to hold on to the bottle. Just press it on. And then we want to get some more Mod Podge and just cover the entire label with the Mod Podge, which will hold it down and adhere it. Step 3 is adding the finishing touches. For today, I'm including the straw with some ribbon and a nice rhinestone embellishment. So we're going to cut a length of ribbon and wrap it around our bottle. Now before we tighten it, I'm gonna tuck in our little straw So they're so cute. And then just tie a nice tight knot. Then we need to just trim our edges. And now to really set it off, we're just going to add a little embellishment from totallydazzled.com, and I will link this particular embellishment in the little iCard in the corner above this video and also in the description below. And there you have it, a gorgeous sparkling bottle. It's so cute, it's so glam, and when you add the little tag with the name and the table number, it serves double duty and escorts your guests to their table while they have a lovely little sip of something delicious. I love this project. It's quick, it's easy, it's fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, and until next time, I'm Natalie with TotallyDazzled.com, helping you learn to plan events that shine. Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at TotallyDazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.